In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to your Wix website. If you're looking to gain insights into your website traffic, understand user behavior, and make data-driven decisions, integrating Google Analytics is the way to go. So let's dive straight into it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your Wix dashboard, which neatly outlines all your websites. Consider this dashboard as your command center. It's where you can manage and edit various site settings and functionalities. Now locate the site you want to connect with Google Analytics. Hover over that site, and you'll notice an option to select and edit the site. Clicking on this will whisk you away to that specific website's dashboard. This space will become your primary hub for making changes and monitoring your site's performance. Moving forward, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, click on the Settings tab. This tab is a treasure trove of configuration options for your site. While it's beneficial to familiarize yourself with all the settings, let's stay focused on our current task. Within the Settings area, you'll be presented with a list of choices. Keep your eyes peeled for marketing integrations and click on it. This is where you can link various marketing tools, and Google Analytics, our aim for today, sits prominently in this section. By now, you should see a list of available integrations. Spot Google Analytics in this list. Given its widespread use, it's usually easy to find. Beside Google Analytics, there's a Connect button. Click on it to forge the connection between your website and Google Analytics. At this point, the website will prompt you to either sign in to your Google account or choose an account if you're already logged in. It's essential to have a Google Analytics account set up before this step. If you need to set that up, head over to Google Analytics official site for a quick setup, then return here. Once your Google account is connected, you'll be asked to authorize Wix to access your Google Analytics data. This is a crucial step, and you'll need to grant the necessary permissions for the integration to function properly. After granting permission, Wix will automatically link your site to Google Analytics. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now connected to Google Analytics, allowing you to delve into a wealth of metrics and garner valuable insights straight from your Google Analytics dashboard. Make it a habit to check back regularly to analyze the data, which will help you refine and optimize your site and content over time. Following these steps provides a solid foundation for tracking your website's performance and understanding your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.